एवरीवन, सो आज हम जा रहे हैं विक्टोरिया और हम सब रेडी हैं। It was a sunny and perfect day to visit Victoria's famous Butchart Gardens. First, we headed to Tsawwassen, from where we took a ferry to Swartz Bay in Victoria. It was my first time on a ferry, and it was such a cool experience. The cost was around 315 Canadian dollars including taxes for 5 adults and 1 standard vehicle. The ferry was huge. So many cars were parked close together, and I was super excited to explore the whole thing. We parked our car and took the elevator up to the deck. It felt like a mini shopping mall and food court inside. I loved the vibe. Before exploring further, we were hungry, so we found a spot in the cafeteria. And once the ferry started moving, we settled in and enjoyed the ride. I had made grilled sandwiches and upma for breakfast. It was so yummy. There's just something special about homemade food. After breakfast, we started exploring the ferry. The wide windows offered such beautiful views, we were mesmerized. We wanted to go out onto the open deck, but it was too windy, so the gates were closed. A little later, there was an announcement that the deck was open and we rushed out. We went to the lower deck and it was amazing. Everyone was soaking in the sun and the breeze was strong and fresh. We took some photos and just enjoyed the pure feeling. Finally, I'm on a ferry और मेरे साथ देवांश भी है।
तो अभी हम लोग चवासन टर्मिनल से चले हैं और हमारी डेस्टिनेशन है स्वार्ट्स बे विक्टोरिया। ये ऑलमोस्ट 1 से 1.5 घंटे 1 से
1:35 minutes
की राइड है एंड वी आर एक्साइटेड टू सी विक्टोरिया।
BC Ferries started this route in June 1960. The ride covers about 44 kilometers, crossing the Georgia Strait and cruising through Active Pass, a narrow strait where ferries pass super close to the shore. This route is served by Spirit class ferries like the Spirit of British Columbia and Spirit of Vancouver Island. These giants can carry over 2,100 passengers and nearly 400 vehicles. Wow! So, अब announcement हो गई है and we are going back to our cars. Once we were back in our car, everyone was ready to get off the ferry. In about 25 minutes from Swartz Bay, we reached Butchart Gardens. It's a 121-year-old, world-famous 55-acre display garden located in Brentwood Bay, British Columbia. Created by Jenny Butchart and still privately owned by the family. The ticket cost was $47 including taxes per person. I've never seen such a big garden. Once we parked the car, we walked towards the main entrance. As we got closer, I could see more flowers and beautifully maintained garden areas. There was a coffee shop, an information center, a gift shop, and lots of people enjoying the entrance. what we found? A huge life-size chessboard. My brother and husband love chess, so they couldn't resist playing a game. After that, we began exploring the garden. Butchart Gardens began in 1904 when Jenny Butchart transformed a worked-out limestone quarry into a beautiful garden. Today, it's one of Vancouver Island's top attractions, welcoming nearly 1 million guests each year. It's also a designated National Historic Site of Canada since 2004. The 55-acre garden features over 900 varieties of plants in themed areas such as Sunken Garden, Rose, Japanese, Italian, and Mediterranean gardens, offering blooms from March to October. First up, we saw gorgeous hanging fuchsia flowers. These pendulous beauties attracted hummingbirds all summer and fall. I had only seen them online before, so seeing them in real life was amazing.
So देवांश, अभी हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
अभी हम संकन गार्डन में हैं और इसके बाद हम लोग इसको फॉलो करते हुए रॉस माउंट फाउंटेन देख के, फिर बॉग गार्डन देख के, एंड देन विल हेड टू द रोज कैरोसेल. Okay.
So which direction?
Here.
Okay.
The Sunken Garden has 151 flower beds spread across about 5 acres with 65,000 bulbs planted each spring. You'll see crocus, daffodils, tulips, hyacinths, anemones, irises. Just wow. The pond was so beautiful. I spotted some white lilies too. So pretty. Then we climbed up to the Mound Viewpoint. It's a small hill-like spot with steps leading up. From the top, you get a full panoramic view of the entire Sunken Garden. Perfect for photos or just soaking in the beauty. You'll see the Ross fountain, colorful flower beds, winding paths, and stunning landscaping, all from one magical spot. Definitely one of the most photographed places in the garden. There's this amazing fountain called the Ross Fountain. It was installed in 1964 for the garden's 60th anniversary by Jenny's grandson Ian Ross. It shoots water 70 feet high, and watching it sway with the wind is so satisfying. The whole Sunken Garden is framed with evergreen trees and flowering shrubs, which created this dreamy filtered light vibe. Yes, there's a carousel. And yes, I absolutely rode it. Who says grown-ups can't have carousel fun? The Rose Carousel is the only one in Vancouver Island and was specially made for Butchart Gardens in 2009 by Brass Ring Entertainment in California. The ride costs just $2.
Oh my god, ये तो ऊंचा है बहुत.
I rode a leopard. So much fun. It's inside a beautiful pavilion with a glass front and a green planted roof, so it looks amazing all year round. Then we went to the Rose Garden. This grand section was planted in 1929 to 30, replacing the old vegetable garden. Jenny Butchart and Seattle designer Butler Stowent designed the curves and arches we see today. There are around 2,500 rose bushes with about 280 different varieties. The The fragrance here is incredible. So many vintage roses that attract bees, butterflies, and birds. This garden even won the World Federation of Rose Society's Award of Excellence in 2018. Right near the exit, there's this cozy showcase corner, part of the Italian garden with a cute cafe nearby. Just before leaving, I came across a visitor's guest book and I signed it with my husband. Such a sweet touch. And then wow, I saw this gorgeous indoor greenhouse space. It's actually the Blue Poppy restaurant transformed into a spring garden exhibit. Yes, it's all indoors. It's the biggest indoor spring display they run. And you don't need an extra ticket to visit. Just your garden admission is enough. Before we head out, I didn't want to miss the cozy little information center. It's like the brain of the garden, super helpful and friendly. And the gift shop. It's a paradise of teas, seeds, souvenirs, and garden-themed goodies. It's the perfect spot to grab something special before saying goodbye to this magical garden wonderland. Okay, so this was just part 1 of our Victoria trip, Butchart Gardens edition. There's so much to cover and this video is already getting too long. So stay tuned for part 2. More fun, more beauty coming your way. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated to all my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.